Marx was against party system. Hitler created what? Party. Now China's influence has increased drastically within Central Asia, and many East Russian cities are looking more like the part of China than the part of Russia. So much of cultural dominance of China.
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच एंड देन आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट संविधान के अर्थ से लेकर पुरुषार्थ तक, कौटिल्य से लेकर मैकियावेली तक, रशिया यूक्रेन के युद्ध से लेकर पीस लाइस इन द फुटहिल्स ऑफ हिमालयाज तक, डिफरेंट मॉडल्स ऑफ सेक्युलरिज्म से लेकर सनातन धर्म तक और लोकतंत्र के सही मतलब से लेकर अखंड भारत तक। सर 150 क्लासेस में बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया आपने। सर आई विल ट्राई टू इम्प्लीमेंट योर टीचिंग्स इन इट्स लेटर एंड स्पिरिट।
So I was just saying that the biggest lesson I've learned from all these months of political science classes is that corruption is the biggest threat to our country, and we always need to keep that in mind while preparing. Like, why are we going through such a like difficult preparation process? There should be something driving us, and I'm really thankful to Rahul sir for giving me that goal to always keep in my mind and work towards cracking this exam. Thank you, sir.
He made every aspect of every subject so interesting, and पढ़ाई तो सबको पता है, he teaches the best. The main thing which I love about him that he interacts with us a lot. मतलब कितना भी हंसी मजाक कर लो, he never gets offended. He talks about stuff that people don't generally talk about. He talks about controversial issues. He gives his opinion on stuff. That's the best part. I like that about him. He gives his opinions. He encourages us to give our opinion as well, to share our experiences. Besides, he never shies away from pointing out anything that he finds objectionable. He has treated all of us as a family. That's the best thing about Mr. Rahul Puri, and I love him for that. Thank you so much, sir, for making these past 8 months fun for all of us. Thank you so much.
Sir, it has been a very beautiful journey taking PSIR as my optional. Though I disappeared, but I always had a privilege to watch the recorded ones. So honest experience is that if not one, I had many. I truly hope that, sir, one day we will make you proud and you will be glad to hear our names every time the class starts. There always had been an excitement of new learning. Our class has truly been a class of equality, hope, and synergy. If not today, then perhaps tomorrow we all will share the same level of sanity, for we have learned and experienced from our honorable teachers. Every guidance here at this platform that Sir has given us is incomparably, without any measure, is priceless. Everything about Sir is at a different level. All the way up from this. It's all the way away from the status quo, and the same goes to his Peters who are going to change the system works, bringing reforms from within and assuming there's always something better out there only if we have a hand like that of our teachers.
A hearty thank you, sir, for giving insight for what real PSIR is. What we learned in college was something okayish kind. It wasn't what we really expected. From you, we got to know what real PSIR is. From starting the lecture to am I making the right choice by taking PSIR to today this lecture, I'm definitely sure that I made the right choice. It was the perfect choice rather. Every lecture was an eye-opener in many ways, whether it be the theory of philosophers or dynamic IR. The way you connected the things and shown the bigger picture has instilled a new kind of confidence in us. A very hearty thank you. if we can't clear the exam, we'll always remember you have told us, whether it be passing or failure. Your thoughts and your guidance will always be there with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepika. But I believe that all of you will definitely clear the examination, because for clearing the examination, you need a perfect plan. And perfect plan requires good ingredients, good knowledge, good wisdom, and then execution. So as I see, you people are on the right track. So you will definitely do very well. Anyone in the digital space who wants to unmute himself or herself and speak? Yeah, Pritika, please go ahead.
First of all, good evening, sir. I'm very lucky that I have been part of this journey, and it's so much fun, and I have gained so much memories and knowledge with Rahul Puri sir, and he was never hesitate to clear every small doubt, and he used to clear every doubt that we had, and it's been pleasure to be with him in this journey. Thank you so much, sir, for gaining so much, for giving so much knowledge to us.
Wonderful, wonderful. Anyone else in the physical space who wants to come and share the dice with us? Please, come.
And now what to say about the sir? आज शायद शब्द कम है उनके प्रति आदर को शब्दों में बयां करने. That's why, sir, I wrote a poem which I want to recite, and it's for my all fellow mates also. शुरुआत करूँ कहाँ से, आज निशब्द हूँ मैं. शुरुआत करूँ कहाँ से, आज निशब्द हूँ मैं. इस उन्नत स्थान पे खड़े हो कुछ भावुक हूँ मैं. कहीं हो रहा है अंत एक सफ़र का, कहीं हो रहा है अंत एक सफ़र का, कहीं शुरुआत है एक नए मंजर का. शायद फिर मिल ना पाए हम सभी इस तरह जैसे आज मिले हैं. शायद हम फिर मिल ना पाए सभी जिस तरह आज मिले हैं. बस यही आशा है, हमने जो सपना देखा है लाइफ में वो हम उसे साकार कर दिखाएं. Now for the sir. खुद को जलाकर हमें रोशन कर रहे हैं. खुद को जलाकर हमें रोशन कर रहे हैं. बहुत ही सादगी से अपना फर्ज निभा रहे हैं. कभी दोस्त बनकर, कभी मेंटर बनकर, कभी गाइड बनकर. हमें
कोई प्रॉब्लम.
कभी दोस्त बनकर, कभी मेंटर बनकर, कभी गाइड बनकर हमें जीवन की चुनौतियों से परिचित करा रहे हैं. आएंगे लौटकर एक दिन अफसर बनकर. आएंगे लौटकर एक दिन अफसर बनकर. पूरी दुनिया कदमों लिए. खास होगा वो दिन जब पेज देने वाले की हम पेज बने. जस्ट टू एंड नाउ. जिंदगी उधार रखकर भी न चुका पाएंगे कर्ज जिनका. जिंदगी उधार रखकर भी न चुका पाएंगे कर्ज जिनका. माँ का ही नहीं भगवान से, माँ का ही नहीं भगवान के बराबर है गुरु का ही उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण दर्जा, उतना ही one of fellow mate, like he is not able to attend the online as well as offline, so he just sent me a word of gratitude. So sir, I want to recite it. Sir, words cannot express how saddened we are after ending our session, but sir, you have been an inspiration to all of us in the entire session, and a mentor we have always looked up to. And with the end of our session, we will all miss you always as the best inspirational person in our life. And so, life will end, but the emotions for you never end, and we'll greatly miss your words of wisdom and encouragement. We will truly miss your mentorship. Sir, the message is from Rupesh Jalani, and I want to thank you, and he just sent me that text. Yeah, thank you.
And it was an honor to be a part with you in this journey. There were a lot of ups and downs, but the lesson which I learned from this journey, and especially from the mentors which are available right here in Raus, is that there will be people who will discourage you in this journey, who will always say that you are not meant for this journey, you are not meant for this path. But there will be people who will always say that yes, you have that spirit, you can do it, and one day you will achieve.
Hello sir, I am not able to take class online as well as offline because of some reason. But sir, word cannot express that how much sad we all are after the end of our session. You have been an inspiration to all of us in the entire session. But mentor, we have always looked up to you, and with the end of our session, we miss you always as an best inspiration person of our life. And life will end, but the emotions for you never end. And we will greatly miss by your words of your wisdom and encouragement. We truly miss your words and your mentorship.
Hello, sir. Greetings from Kerala. You have taught us quite a lot in the past few months. And if someone were to ask me what is the most important lesson I've taken from your classes, I'd be reminded of our internal security class. And most of us were guessing that Naxalism, regionalism and all are the biggest threats facing our country today. But you taught us that corruption is a far bigger threat. And sir, as your students, I believe that none of us would indulge in corruption if we get selected to the services. And for shaping such a generation of civil servants, मैं आपसे धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ. Thank you, sir.